you're looking to build stronger and more defined shoulders, then this video from Nathan Health and Fitness is just for you. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 best exercises that will transform your shoulders, adding massive size and definition. These exercises are designed to ignite your delts and give you that impressive 3D look you've always wanted. So, stay tuned till the end, and let's build stronger, healthier shoulders together with Nathan Health and Fitness. Let's go! The shoulder girdle connects the arms to the body. The shoulder starts from the shoulder joint and ends at the elbow. These two concepts should be distinguished because many are accustomed to perceiving them as one. Therefore, let's first see where which muscles are located so that later when performing exercises, it would be possible to distribute the load on those muscle groups that are in particular need of it. The shoulder girdle consists of the deltoid muscle, which helps to strengthen the shoulder joint, supraspinatus and infraspinatus, teres minor, and teres major. The shoulder, on the other hand, consists of the following types of muscles: coracobrachialis, brachialis, biceps, triceps, and more. Let's figure out the 5 best exercises to build bigger shoulders. Behind the neck press. This exercise is especially effective and efficient for those who want to increase the mass of the delts. The main load is taken by the anterior and lateral zones of the deltoid muscles. Execution technique. 1. Sit on the bench and then put the weight on your shoulders. 2. Pull your shoulder blades together and push your chest forward. 3. Grab the barbell wider than your shoulders. 4. Raise the bar above your head until your arms are fully extended. 5. Make sure your head is slightly tilted forward. Don't hold your breath. Exhale while straightening the arms. 6. Slowly return the barbell to its original position. To reduce pressure on the spine, you should choose a bench with a back. Overhead press. The overhead press is another excellent exercise to build massive shoulders. It should be done by analogy with the previous option. Key points. The bar is placed not behind the head, but on the chest. When lowering the weight, bring the elbows slightly forward. Keep the body as straight as possible and the arms in the same plane with the body. Exhale while straightening your arms and slowly inhale when returning. This exercise shifts the main load on the anterior bundles of the deltoid muscles. Upright row. This basic shoulder exercise is recommended to be done with dumbbells or an EZ curl bar, which will take the pressure off your wrists. Execution technique. 1. Take a barbell or dumbbells with a grip slightly narrower than shoulder width. 2. Keep the arms slightly bent at the elbows. 3. Using the shoulder muscles, pull the weight up almost to the chin but without touching it. 4. Reduce the tension of the triceps and biceps as much as possible. 5. Lower the weight a little slower than lifting to evenly distribute the load. Remember proper breathing, exhale at the highest point and inhale slowly while lowering. Lateral raise. Lateral raise helps to build stronger delts, focusing on the middle bundles of the delts. Execution technique. 1. Stand straight and bend your elbows slightly. 2. Slowly lift the dumbbells to the sides until your arms are parallel to the floor. 3. Fix the position of your hands for a few seconds. 4. Slowly return the dumbbells to the starting position. Arnold Press. This is the best shoulder exercise that allows you to fully work out the front bundle of the delts. Execution technique. 1. Take 2 dumbbells and turn your palms toward you. 2. Bend your arms at the elbows and press your shoulders to the body. 3. Press the dumbbells up, lifting them gently and rotating your wrists. 4. At the moment of returning the hands to the starting position, rotate the wrists in the opposite direction. So there you have it, the 5 best exercises to make your shoulders stronger and bigger. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. See you soon.